Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we go back to the Nigerian political space. We focus on the upcoming presidential elections coming up next month, and we are paying particular attention to the electoral referee INEC, and within INEC we're paying attention to a lady called Amina Zakari. Amina Zakari is one of the leading members of the INEC parastatal. She's one of the foremost members of this organization. So why are we paying attention to this bureaucrat? Well, Amina Zakari is a blood relative of one of the candidates contesting for the presidential post, namely Malam Buhari. So Amina Zakari is the blood relative of Malam Buhari. This is known, and I shall read you an account of somebody that has known this girl, this lady rather, because she's in her 50s. I shall read you an account of somebody that has known this lady pretty much since birth. So this is an account from an Alhaji Tanko Yakasai. So he says, I know that the lady from her birth, you should read, I know that lady from her birth. This is Alhaji Tanko now speaking. I know that lady from her birth. Her father worked with me as a permanent secretary before later he became the emir of Kazuari. We maintained a cordial relationship until he passed away. However, the relationship between him and Buhari is something that I know of. This is Alhaji Tanko Yakasai, who has known Amina Zakari from birth, recounting her life history from birth till death. So he says, we maintain a cordial, I'm going back a bit. We maintained a cordial relationship until he passed away. Now this is him and Amina Zakari's father that he's talking about here. So he maintained a cordial relationship with Amina Zakari's father till he passed away. That's Amina Zakari's father. So, however, the relationship between him, that's Amina's father, and Buhari is something that I know of. Anybody around during that time also can confirm this. He, the late emir, married the senior sister of Buhari, and Buhari, started his childhood in the emir's house. The mother of this woman, Zakari, was either the first or second wife. Aside from that, Buhari stayed with him for some time in Kuzeri. I know this relationship to be true. So this is the account of Alhaji Tanko Zakari recounting the life history of Amina Zakari. Amina Zakari being the second or third lead figure in INEC, and INEC being the referee that is officiating the election process where Buhari, Amina Zakari is contesting for presidency. So nepotism, well, I don't think there's anything that defines nepotism more than that. So here we have it. I have stated plentifully on this channel that there's no elections taking place in February. It's all going to be a charade. All we will see is Malam Buhari reaffirming himself in power. He has already gotten all the security apparatus pledging loyalty. We saw all the service chiefs there sitting at his feet when Buhari was declaring his intention to run for a second term. And by the way, when Buhari was contesting first time around, he stated categorically that he was only going to run for one term. But we all know that that guy has a very funny relationship with the truth. So we already have that. and now we have his blood relative, his niece, as the lead in INEC. So his blood relative is officiating an election where he is contesting to be president. I wonder who will win that election then. You leave your comments in the comment section down below. This is where the conversation takes place. I'll leave you here and join you there, and I'll say peace.